Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Mustang seat belt warning light issue and the possible causes behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. A seat belt warning light illuminated in the Ford Mustang is commonly described as the warning remaining on even when seat belts are fastened, activating intermittently while driving, or appearing with an audible chime without an obvious reason. Verified owner reports and service information show that seat belt warning concerns have been reported across multiple Ford Mustang model years and generations, with causes varying based on restraint system design, sensor inputs, and electrical communication. One verified and frequently reported cause involves seat belt buckle sensor issues. The buckle contains a sensor that detects whether the belt is latched. Wear, internal faults, or debris inside the buckle can prevent accurate detection, causing the warning light to remain on. Another confirmed cause relates to seat occupancy sensor behavior. Sensors within the seat are designed to detect occupant presence and weight. Faults or calibration issues can cause the system to incorrectly interpret seating conditions and trigger the warning light. Wiring or connector problems are also documented factors. Loose connectors, damaged wiring under the seats, or wiring stressed by seat movement can interrupt signals sent to the restraint control system. Restraint control module monitoring behavior has also been reported. The module continuously checks system status, and irregular signals or stored fault codes may result in a persistent warning light. Recent seat movement or interior work is another verified consideration. Adjusting seats, removing seats, or performing interior repairs can disturb connectors or sensors, leading to warning light activation. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include low system voltage, temporary electronic communication irregularities, or software-related monitoring behavior. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include inspecting seat belt buckles, checking under seat wiring and connectors, scanning the restraint system for fault codes, recalibrating seat sensors when required, and addressing any identified wiring or sensor faults. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that many Ford Mustang seat belt warning light issues are resolved through sensor or wiring correction rather than replacement of major restraint system components. However, experiences vary by model year, seating configuration, and vehicle usage. In conclusion, Ford Mustang seat belt warning light concerns are typically linked to buckle sensor faults, seat occupancy sensor behavior, wiring interruptions, or restraint system monitoring logic. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.